birthday gift unboxing part 2. Thank you, Sister Rachel and Brother Paul. Ano meron? Kunin mo.
What's inside?
Kunin mo. What's that?
What's that?
Oh. Kunin natin. Wow! Ang ganda. More pa, more. Wow! Pink and blue. Yay!
Wow, buhay mo.
May tunog pa. Eto din, pink. Kiss mo din. Baby. Dami mo ng baby. Kiss mo din yung pink. Kiss mo din to.
Ano lang?
Ito din. Kay Ninang Lauren.
Kinis niya na.
Oo. Paano ang kiss niya? Uy, dalawa. Ninang niya, Lauren. Happy birthday. Open this one. Ay! Open mo dito, please.
Ano gusto niyo?
Get.
Wow.
Wow.
What's
What's this?
that? What's this? What's inside?
What's that?
What's inside?
Open.
Nakalan
Wow.
ba?
Dala mo. Wow! Wow! Ay, hinalikan pa.
Wow.
Wow! Ang ganda. Sino yan? Uy, happy birthday! Birthday!
Hey.
Ang dami niyang stuffed toy. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nagkukumpas eh. Konduktor ka. Konduktor. Wow! Thank you. Flying kiss. Ang galing talaga nito. Bye-bye sa vlog.
Aban.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Paano yung bye-bye?
Ayaw.
Hindi ba?
Oo. Pakita mo na yung mga toy mo. Hello, this is Missy. Hi, Sabina.
Sabi mo yung toys, oh.